Welcome to another part of the chapter, The Fundamental Unit of Life. From this video, we are going to learn about the cell organelles which are present in eukaryotic cell. If we observe a eukaryotic cell, we find that there is a network of membrane-bound tubes. These tubes are called endoplasmic reticulum. So first of all, we are going to learn about our first cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. It was discovered by Fulham, Potter and Cloud, and the term endoplasmic reticulum was coined by Potter in 1945. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum present in a eukaryotic cell: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. If we talk about the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they appears rough because presence of ribosome, and ribosome basically helps in the synthesis of protein, right? And on another hand, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they appears to be smooth because there is no presence of ribosome, and basically these smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in synthesis of fats and lipid molecules. Rough endoplasmic reticulum are present near to the nucleus, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum basically occurs near to the plasma membrane. If we talk about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they basically helps in making protein because ribosome is present on them. The ribosome which are present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they prepares the protein by the simplest molecules, amino acids. On the other hand, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they helps in making fats and lipids. Beside these functions, endoplasmic reticulum also acts as a circulatory system of a cell because they helps in a movement of molecules to the different part of cells, and it acts as a cytoskeleton. The protein which are synthesized on rough endoplasmic reticulum are used in the formation of plasma membrane, enzyme and hormones, and they also provide the surface for the many chemical activities. Formation of Golgi apparatus, lysosome, vacuole all occurs through the endoplasmic reticulum. With this information, you can easily differentiate between the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. The another cell organelle which we are going to discuss in this video, that is Golgi apparatus, which are present near to the endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi apparatus was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. These cell organelle are present in all eukaryotic cell except RBC, sperm, and they are totally absent in prokaryotic cells. If we observe the structure of Golgi apparatus, we find that these are the two-layered structure having the swollen ends, and it have two phases, cis phase and trans phase. Cis phase is is the receiving end of the Golgi apparatus, and it is present near to the endoplasmic reticulum. Another site of the Golgi apparatus is known as trans phase, and it is the side where the materials which are packaged in the Golgi apparatus are shipped to the different parts of the cell or to the some another targeted cell. The main function of the Golgi apparatus is to modify, sort and do the packaging of the proteins or any other material which is coming from the endoplasmic reticulum. So we can conclude that the main functions of Golgi body is to modify the protein and lipids which are prepared by endoplasmic reticulum, and they helps in packaging of products into vesicles for the transport. In this video, we have learned about the two types of cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. Now try to answer these questions. How rough endoplasmic reticulum is different from smooth endoplasmic reticulum? As I told you, rough endoplasmic reticulum appears rough because of presence of ribosome, and they basically helps in the formation of proteins. On the other hand, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they don't have any ribosome, but they helps in the synthesis of lipids and fats. Second question is, what is the origin of Golgi apparatus? Yes, the origin of Golgi apparatus is endoplasmic reticulum.